Okay, guys, so there is a new product from this company called Ring Video. So they are releasing their new Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It is a premium video doorbell, so it uses a very good tech to actually detect motion and all that. So the camera, it has an inbuilt camera which features 3D motion detection. It's uh it's a it's a full HD video, so it has a bird's eye view feature which is customizable. The 3D motion detection technology kind of like provides more accurate and precise identification of when motion event begins. The sensor also measures an object's distance from the camera, and it makes it easier to exclude certain high traffic areas. So it's something that most people that need these security at home in all these really expensive homes need to have. Like it's if your doorbell is pretty much facing the outside like a sidewalk, you can set it up that that only motion closer to your home triggers an alert. So it's something that you can use to set what triggers the alarm and all that. It's cool. I don't know whether it depends. I don't know whether it probably would be triggering every time somebody gets close to your door. I think so, but it's just what it is. The feature works in conjunction with the bird's eye view feature. So it's just measures the exact distance of a person from the camera, and it's just a way to at least give you some warning. You know, over the last 1 month or so now, I've been talking about smart home tech just to better your smart home. So this is one. If you really need something that can actually protect, I wouldn't say protect, but at least something that can alert you, this is something you should be looking at having. It's priced at $250. You can buy it from ring.com or Amazon. The Amazon will start shipping around March 31st, so it's still about a month off from shipping. So that is it. If you need better security camera in your doorbell, you can go for the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. And please subscribe to our channel. Do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.